Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Nord, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is right over here. And you want to hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings where we can customize it. So number one, first thing is the toggle to turn it on, which for now I would suggest to disregard it, and then go to the next one, which is a schedule. Now once you tap on it, you can add your custom schedule, name it whatever you want, and from here you can select the days of the week that it will be turning on, and then also the start time and end time in those days. And then at the bottom you have the alarm can override end time. That is completely up to you. If you set an alarm clock and it's somewhere in between the Do Not Disturb mode, it will simply end it for that day. And then Do Not Disturb behavior. So this is basically one that we can set for each schedule by customizing it ourselves, or we can just use the default one, which we will go through right now by backing out and in here. So you have the exceptions for calls. So we have allow calls from anyone, contacts only, favorite contacts, or from no one. Select whichever one you want. Now if you go for no one, there is also an option right here to allow repeated callers, and if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you the second time around, even though they shouldn't be. So if you want that, you can check it on. If not, keep it off. It's a good option to have in terms of emergencies, I would say. Now if we back out, we have messages, same thing as contacts or calls without the 15-minute exception. So again, select whichever one you want, and then see all exceptions. So here we have majority of like the sound options, so allow alarms, play sounds, and stuff like that. So you can also select whichever one you want or don't want. And then restrict notifications. So this is just an option for behavior of notifications, if you can see them or not. You can customize it even further. As you can see, you have two options right here: no visual or sound from notifications, or no sound from notifications, so you still will see it when someone tried to call you. And that's about it. Now once everything is set up here, you can simply leave this mode and tap on a toggle to turn it on. And when you turn it on manually, you will need to remember to turn it off later on yourself. If it's set to a schedule, then it will turn on and off on its own, and you don't really have to do anything. And that is how you'd set it up and enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.